Hello guys, just a simple reflection today. I just want to make you see the potential you have to become rich nowadays than it was in the past. When I make my first $50,000 online after 5 months of using this business, which is the paper call, and I see the sky was the limit. Because I'm gonna break down right now in front of you, just in a simple mathematics, show you how you can generate over $30,000 per month if you follow this strategy. That show you what I'm talking about. If you find an offer that's gonna pay you $50 per phone call, just $50 per phone call, you need 20 phone calls per day that convert to make 1,000 per day. In a month, you have 30 days. If every one day you bring $1,000, in 30 days, it's gonna be $30,000 that you're gonna make. And if you bring this over the year, like for 12 months, that's gonna be $360,000 that you're gonna make. And you will ask me the question, Mr. Vanel, it's so easy when you say it, but it's not easy to do it. Let me tell you, you need only one skill. One simple skill you need, and you will make this money. The first skill that I think someone needs is to know how to advertise, how to get people attention. So thank you, Lord, because Google is there. Google is the best place to get some people attention. So in the past, it was difficult to become rich, but now it's not really difficult. Let's take example for an offer like motorcycle or motor vehicle accident. People who need lawyer for this. There are some offer in Market Code that pay you over $100. There are some on Offer Globe. On all these other platforms for pay-per call, they pay over $100. So if you want ad on Google and you just type into this and you set up your ad properly on Google, and even if you are a beginner, if you do this right, Google will bring you people that gonna pick up the phone and they're gonna call. When they call, for each phone call over 120 seconds, you will make $50. Just imagine someone calling for a service. They just paid 120 seconds over the phone. You make $50. If you have 20 phone calls like this per day with Google Ads, that's 1,000 per day. That's 1,000 per day. So if you duplicate this every single day, you just multiply this for the whole month, it's gonna be $30,000. One of the best part of this is because your only investment will be the ad. You're gonna pay for the ad. And I know there are some keywords that you will pay no less than $5 to get one converted phone calls. So just imagine you spend $5 to get $50. So in a whole day, for the day, it's like you're gonna spend $100 to get $1,000 per day. And if you do the math for the whole month, you're gonna spend $33,000 to get $30,000 back. So this is why I say pay-per-call is one of the best business. If you find an offer that accepts you, you are approved, and you want ad on Google and you get phone calls from people calling you, people calling on the phone number, anytime they convert, that's $50. So I proved that already on the channel with you guys that I've made this money. It is not something impossible. Anyone can do it. So the only skills you will need is Google ad training, how to set up ads properly, how to set up negative keywords for some offers, and how to make keyword research to know the best keyword that's gonna convert and that's gonna bring you all these juicy phone calls and gonna make you money. So with this business model, you can start today. You are poor, and next 3 months, if you know what you're doing, you can be the boss of your family. Yes, I know what I'm talking about. So now you see, I'm reinvesting my money in some stocks, and some stocks on Robinhood. I use like investment app to reinvest my money, because I know if you take your money, you enjoy them, buy fancy car, buy housing that you don't need, and take some extra leisure with your money, like go on vacation every single time, I prefer to reinvest my money because I like freedom. I like when I wake up in the morning and I see I have a notification. It's a payment that I received from one of my affiliate company that I'm working for. So that's the idea and the mental that you're supposed to have. You have to know it's easy to make money only if I give all the energy that this business requires. This business requires you to put focus and learn the skills that you need to make money. Me, I am specialized in Google Ads. I know that very well. This is why I'm able to bring phone calls for these companies, because if I can set up my ads properly and I create my landing page, everything is okay with Google. I'm just waiting for the phone calls to come in, and every offer you can bring phone calls for them. If each phone calls bring you $50, so you have to make only 20 phone calls per day to get $1,000 mark per day. And if you do this all the day, for the whole month, you will make $30,000 every single month. So guys, it was just to motivate you that you can do it. And if you follow along with me, I'm sure you're gonna say, Mr. Vanel, I follow your advice, and now I'm making 200, 2,000, 5,000, 10,000 per month. It was your friend, as always, Vanel.